Welcome to LuvLiNes.
Rampage. Rampage was a good show, and I enjoyed it at the same time. It was a good show. We're kicking things off with match card number 1. Andrade El Dolo versus Pac. This was a good match. During Pac's entrance, he tells the Lucha brothers to go to the back so he can handle this himself. Once the match starts, the two rivals trade blows. Andrade walks Pac with a shotgun dropkick and takes control. Pac rallies and dives onto Andrade outside the ring. By sending Andrade into the barricade twice, Pac gains the upper hand. Andrade drops Pac with a nasty DDT on the apron. Andrade hits a corkscrew dive to the outside. Andrade sacrifices himself with a stomp onto Pac and lands hard on the outside. He continues to showcase his athleticism with a split leg moonsault. Pac fires back with a top rope hurricanrana and stiff kicks. Pac got the better of Andrade doing a counter exchange, but the bastard dodged a diving stomp and hit a moonsault to the outside. Back in the ring, Pac got a 2 count with a 450 splash. Andrade briefly gained the upper hand, but Pac floors him with an overhead belly-to-belly suplex in the corner. Pac locking his signature submission hold, the brutalizer. But a distraction from Andrade lawyer Joe's let Chavo Guerrero blast Pac with a iPad from behind, and subsequently Andrade pins Pac. The winner of the match, Andrade El Lodolo. This was a good match to kick off the show. After the match, Joe told Andrade about Chavo Guerrero's interference, and Andrade rocked Chavo with a stick.
So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.